In this video, I'll show you how to convert a video into text. First, open your browser and search for Wizard AI. From the Tools section, select Video to Text. You can easily sign up using your Google account. Here, you'll see the option to either upload a video or paste a video link. For example, copy a YouTube video link. Paste it here. Select the video language and click Next. As you can see, the tool transcribes the video into text perfectly. Now, let's try with a Hindi video. The process is the same. You just need to select Hindi as the video language, and the tool will generate the transcript. You can also upload long videos. Simply click on the Upload File option, and your document folder will open. Drag and drop the video, choose the video language, and click Next. Once the file is processed, the text will be generated and ready to use. That's how you can easily convert any video to text and transcribe YouTube videos for free. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching. In the end,